Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset the settings app in Windows 10 computer. It's a very important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. Windows 10 comes with a modern replacement for the classical control panel program called Settings. Settings is a universal app that can be used instead of the classic control panel on both touchscreen devices and desktop with a mouse and keyboard. It consists of several pages which bring new options to configure Windows 10 along with some older options inherited from the classic control panel. Starting in Windows 10 version 2004, Microsoft has added a hidden method to reset the settings app. It can be useful if the app does not work properly or fail to start at all. Okay, now I am going to show you how to reset the settings app in Windows 10 computer. Click on Start menu, right click on settings icon. Now click on More and then click App Settings. Scroll down. Look, Reset. If this app is not working correctly, reset it. The app data will be deleted. You can reset the app setting from here. Click on Reset and then to confirm click on Reset button again. App setting has been reset. Now you need to restart your computer. I am showing you another way using Windows PowerShell. Click on search bar, type PowerShell, and open PowerShell as administrator. This is the command to reset the app settings. I am giving this command to description. You can collect this command from description. Now copy this command and paste it in PowerShell. Now hit enter. Look, PowerShell is not recognizing this command. Okay, there is an alternative way. Alternatively, you can use this command. Now hit enter. Look, app settings has been reset. Now close Windows PowerShell. Now you need to restart your computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.